family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selinazinchuk. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this. Thank you. My baby girl got me a rose from outside. That's so sweet. Okay, I'm gonna put it right next to mommy, okay? Okay. Thank you. Love you. So I'm going to be comparing this Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Milk Detangling and Condition Pre-poo treatment compared to my DIY natural pre-poo treatment. If you don't know which pre-poo treatment I'm referring to, I will leave that video down in the description box for you. When we were moving from Florida to Atlanta, I didn't have time to do my hair, so I didn't wash my hair for weeks, months, and my hair tangles up a lot. So I put together my DIY pre-poo treatment, and that pre-poo treatment was a lifesaver for my hair, and I can't compare it to anything so far. So I'm now going to be using this pre-poo treatment because I've been very busy. I left my hair for weeks also now, and it's really tangled up. I will open it up for you guys to see how it's looking. It's bad. It's just a big ball. It's so stiff, can't move, can't do anything. So I'm going to be using this pre-poo treatment and see how well it works. Wish me luck. And I also got my tea treatment right here. I will also leave this video down in the description box for you. This is my tea mixture. I also just got it beside me just in case I need extra slip along with this treatment. So the first thing I'm going to do is first take these braids down and then move this my little wrap that I normally use to hold my bun. And then I'm just going to take these braids down very fast, and then I will come back to show you guys how inside this hair is looking. It's just stiff and dry and hard, and this is how the back is looking. The middle part of my hair gets so tangled. I don't know what to do with it. It's just so extra kinky. This is the part that I call 4C here. Just this whole middle section. Look at this. Okay, let's see how we're gonna fix this. First of all, I'm just going to spray this all over my hair, and then I'll part my hair into sections so that I can be able to make sure I get this detangling treatment on every strand of my hair. And then I also have my wide tooth comb to properly detangle, because if I want to do it, let me just do it good and get rid of all the tangles. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll probably go off camera so that I can part my hair in sections, because this is going to take me a long time to do. I'm done separating 3 sections. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit how difficult this is. That's why we need a spray bottle next to us to help us separate the curls. Now, if you're not careful, this is where you're gonna get a lot of breakage from if you don't know how to take your time to separate your hair when it tangle up like this. Most especially people who do long-term protective style, you need to be very, very careful. Don't try separating it on dry hair. So I got that section out of the way. I think I'm gonna part this into two sections. I'm gonna gently go from under and then come up. The top is okay for now, but this bottom part, that's the problem. Okay, finally we got our hair in sections. Now we're just going to take each section down and work on. This section is a bit dry, so I'm just going to apply it to it and see how it feels. I believe that if your hair is dry, you need something liquid because water is the only thing that will moisturize your hair. Now, if this is a detangler and it's not running, it got a good thickness to it. And if your hair is dry, how is it going to flow on the hair to be able to detangle the hair? So I'm curious to see how it's going to turn out. Then I'm also going to add into this section. Also add some to the ends of my hair. Okay, it feels really good, but it's still just kicking my hair together. You know, it's not flowing like the way when I use just my liquid detangler. I leave my hair very, very silky. Oh, I know it's not bad at all. For you guys who don't have time to mix all DIY products together, and if you are rushing, this is something that you can pick up, and yeah, I recommend it. I really do. So I'm just going to now apply it all over my hair, and then I'll come back for us to finger detangle each section and try combing each section. I need to find a way to balance stuff with secrets and go back to doing my hair once a week, because man, not doing my hair once a week is just not working well for me. It's not. I'm done applying the treatment all over my hair. I'm now just going to use my wide tooth comb to start detangling, starting from the ends and working my way up.
I keep it quiet.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm still talking though. and you started talking. Okay, I need to go in and finger to tangle a little bit.
But I want to go with Daddy.
Okay, you can go with Daddy. That's fine. Where is Daddy going?
To pick up sister. I want to go too.
Daddy is going to pick up Sissy from school.
Yes.
Okay.
I need to run and go here too.
I don't think that your daddy is going now though. This is a good treatment. I just need a little bit more water so that the hair can, the comb can glide through the hair properly. It have a lot of slip, which is very great, but there is not enough moisture in the hair, and I'm finding it a little bit difficult to detangle. I think if they're going to make it a little bit, just a little bit runny, it was going to be bomb. So I'm just going to twist this section up. Maybe for other hair texture it worked better, but for mine, full B, full C here, it taking me a little bit of extra combing to get through to it. So I'm just going to twist this section up, and then I will do the same on the rest of my hair. One section down. Okay family, so I am done to tackling my entire hair. And I use almost everything because my hair is very thick. So this is how much left, just very little. This is the amount of shedding that I had. I don't think it's too bad, and I just need to stop doing what I'm doing and be able to take care of my hair on a weekly basis. It can, like the way some people can say, just leave your hair, it will grow. Not with my hair, not with my hair type. I cannot just abandon my hair. If I continue on this method, I don't think it will be something good for my hair. So I'm done detangling my entire hair. I love this treatment. It is very great. If you don't have time to be making your own DIY treatment, my only problem I had was getting my fingers through it, getting the comb through it. If they could just make it a little bit runny, add a little bit water, or maybe something more slippery that have more liquid in it, it will be great. I had a little bit time detangling, but apart from that, I have nothing bad to say about this. This is amazing. If you are rushing in a hurry, you can give that a try. So I'm done detangling my entire hair. They say you can leave this treatment on for 15 to 30 minutes. Let me make sure. Directions, yeah, 15 to 30 minutes, and then after you can rinse it out and go in with your normal wash day routine. My normal wash day routine is my pre-poo first, and then after my shampoo, my deep conditioner, and then I moisturize my hair. I apply my leave-in butter or cream or whatever way I plan to moisturize my hair. And being I have so many meetings coming up, I would just moisturize my hair and throw it back into bun. I cannot put it into twist out or protective style until I find a better way to use in return my wash day. So yes, I'm done detangling my hair. Now I can pass my fingers through it, not like before. Okay family, so if you love this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.